Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you beautiful and attractive women stylish hair cut designs and ideas. Beautiful and trendy stylish hair cutting ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most attractive, most trendy women beautiful haircut designs and ideas. Those ladies who love such type of stylish hair cutting ideas. New and attractive designs and ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. You can see in this video adorable, charming, short haircuts like pixie, long pixie, short pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy pixie, spiky pixie. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. And when you more and more visit my channel, you can many more haircuts and hairstyling ideas like bob haircuts, long bob haircuts, short bob haircuts, graduated, inverted bobs, blunty bob, blunt bob, pixie bob, haircut designs and ideas for western ladies. If you are uni or college girl, if you are office going ladies, office working ladies, then you can easily apply these are all haircuts on your own hairs and you look like beautiful girl, like model and modern. All celebrities like these short haircuts. My videos provide you all about 100% new and trending short, long, pixie and curly cutting ideas. So you can visit my channel and take a more information about every style haircut fashion. You can do it. You can easily make these very beautiful stylish haircuts yourself for your parties or casual dresses. You can get many more ideas in this my video. You can see in this video layered haircuts, long layered, short layered haircut ideas.